Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 17 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to send it from Revit to Twinmotion, and we added all the materials that we want to. And as you can see, everything is done. We also added lights, and now we're going to continue working on this. For now, we're gonna start off by selecting the floor, so the grass portion, so both of this, so holding on control button and selecting both of that, right click, go to your scene graph actually, and then right click on both of those and then isolate. So both of them have been isolated, and then what we can do now is we need to do vegetation paint, and then let's go back here and then choose grass, and then we could have some grass right here. I'm gonna choose this one, select that so that you can increase the density, and then you just need to select this one so that you can change the diameter and you can add. I'm going to increase the diameter here so that I could just put one pass right here. It doesn't need to be nice or accurate, but I know there will be some overage, so over that. So once we're good, as you can see, we have enough grass. We can then select the floor again, go back there, press escape, select the floor, and then unisolate everything. And then I just noticed, I think we put in the same concrete as below. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to save this and go back to Revit just to change this material right here, or else we won't be able to change this one right here. So here, boarded form, go back to concrete, and then here we could just, that one is already there. This one, let's just add that, and then save again, and then see in Twinmotion. There we go. We want to double check that everything is conformed, and I want to double check what we have in Revit there. Something is going on. For some reason it's not clean. It's like that. Good thing it's not showing too much, or it's not visible, but something bothering right here. I'm not sure what's going on, but we could just check this one later on. And then now here I'm just going to select this one. I remember I haven't changed that, and then we have the grass, so that's good. And then we're going to change the materials for the ground here, and we have some of this one right here. I always like this one for the road, so I'm gonna use that, and then here for the sidewalk, and we could have our view like so right here. So we have one view right here like that. And then we need to keep on adding things right here, especially trees, and then we need to add lighting. So spotlight right here. I'm gonna add spotlight right there. We want to make sure that this is in the correct area right here. Move this one a little bit right there, and then we could just click on tab, hold on shift, move this one, I think 4 of them, and then 1 meter. This is extra, so that's fine, but we haven't set it up. I think the intensity is too much, so we could just put in 10 lumens, so that's good. We might check this one out. It's in the same height anyway, I think, but we could just instantly just add it right there so that it's easier. We just need to put it properly. Let's change the speed to number 3 so that the sensitivity is much better. We put it down a little bit, and I believe that's in the correct. Maybe let's put this one to 0.9, and then after that we go right here and then go to everyone. I believe there's 2 more right here, and then we have 3 more. One and then 3. So that's perfect. And then maybe we could just grab one of this, shift, go instance, and then put it right here. Pull it down. You just need to go down because that's the last thing that you added. Put it right there and then down. There we go. And then there's 4 more. Every 1 meters. And there we go. And then what I'm gonna do here is something different. I want to have a spotlight going up now, so 180. I'm going to pull this one right here. I'm gonna change this to 10 as well, maybe 20. I want to change it a little bit, so probably this one, change the color. And then let's just add it right here. So I just like the effect from below ground. Then 3 more of something like that, and that looks really nice right there. Maybe we could just add one more at the top right here. So I'm just gonna copy that, and then just move this one right here. There we go. I just like the look of it, especially the way the light bounces. It looks really good. Don't forget to save. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add in trees similar to this. We're gonna handpick them, and then eventually at the background we're gonna change others. So here we have something like that. It's either I'm gonna rotate this more, to this. I think that's good enough. And then some small trees below right here. I think one right here on the side, so where my view will be. So I'm gonna have something like that. So I'm gonna handpick them, and then let's see how it looks later on. Then I want something below right here, small one, small enough. There we go. And then just add something like here. Change my speed to number 4. Delete this. Move like that for now. And I'm happy with the trees on this left side. Now we just need to replicate some right here on the other side. Maybe we could just add this big one right here. So I'm gonna add that one and some small ones as well. I think that one is good as well for placement. And we have some bamboo right here. Maybe the bamboo is the right one for this. Yeah, I'm gonna add the bamboo, multiple of them. with lights imitating the background. There we go. And then we're probably gonna move this one a bit, rotate it, or change it depending on how the views come up. So this part is good. We just need to add more. So I'm gonna handpick them right here, and then we're going to put them around. So select them all, make the density high, select this one, and then just simply add them at the background like that. For me, I just want to populate the surroundings, and please handpick trees near the building. Let's go right here, change the speed, and as you can see, we need to erase some of them. So it's really random how they do it. And then one of the views will be probably like this. And then we need to make the background more green, so probably we need to change the background here, so the ground, nature, and then grass. And then why not add more trees? Okay, this is some big trees. Make sure density is up on all of them, and then paint, change your speed, and then make it bigger. And we just need more at the background. And this one, all of this on the background is just for the reflection. And then we just need to add some details. Here we have some grass, and then we could just have this one chosen, then we could just randomly add them right here. As you can see, we have those. Dandelions, tall grass. We can randomly add them. Then just randomly click here, and then our view. We could just delete some of them if we don't want to, or add more details to some of them, like for example some weed. Just adding some weed, and then some colors like poppies. I know it's not something that you can see, but and then we could just add some small rocks. And we could just always scale it. We'll just add some character to our build. And we have some miscellaneous here. That we could add right here. Some dead leaves. And then this one a lot bigger, so that's good as well, just for view. Now let's go back here, make sure to keep on saving. We don't want to lose our progress. And then here let's change the backdrop. And then let's choose one of here. So for this one, I just want the height to be offset a little bit, and the background is good enough. want to see how, if we rotate this, how the light reflects. I like this one because all of the trees reflection goes around. This one as well looks really good. So something so this one is good as well. Something like that is good. We have some and then nice background, nice front shot, and let's not forget to add vehicle here. Probably I'm going to take a picture of this now. So here the image, I'm going to click create image right there so that I don't lose that site anymore, or that change right there. One of this is done, and then turn it around 180. And then I'm just going to put it right there. Go back to my image. I'm gonna see how it looks, and that looks really nice. I'm happy with how it looks. I could just do this a little bit. Maybe we could redo this shot a bit. And then here I probably will have to add one right here, because I don't like the emptiness there on the side. So I'm just adding that one. And that. So now if we turn on this one, let's see how it reflects, because we need to change that. For now it looks really nice in high settings. This looks really good. I also want to have a shot of maybe a shot near the house, and also I'm probably going to decrease this opacity a little bit, maybe 85, and then let's see how it looks. And then here let's change this to camera view. Opacity is 85. We do this and then click on that. Let's see how the opacity will reflect all those lights there in that background. That looks okay. I think 90 is good enough. So I'm gonna put the reflection right here, 90. And also I'm going to add the same one right here. Right there. and that looks really nice. I'm happy. We could just refresh this and then turn this off. We could go around here and shoot it front like this, and it will create another one. And then another shot on this side now, and shot right here. So now we just need to turn on all of that so that once we're ready to export this will be all exported like that. I like the gate that we created, wood and metal, so that's really good. And then now we could do is let's create a video. Showcasing this. And why not another shot like this, the front view. We can move this one just a little bit, but we need to double check everything. Yeah, let's move this one a little bit, but making sure that everything still is visible. And we could have it like this as well. Another shot. And then don't forget to turn that on. Now let's go back to our video. So let's go here, create our first video, turning towards right there. Change your speed. This is around 6. Let's do this one, this shot. Or maybe this one instead, going right here, going past this. That's 6 as well. And then this front view shot. I want to emphasize this more. Around 4. And then here we could do going up view. Make it 6. And then the turnaround view. So that's looking good. and let's just leave that at 10 seconds. And then going down view, around 4 seconds for that. A still shot of the gate. 2 seconds. This one, 2 seconds as well. And then just going back. Let's go back here first. It's 5 seconds. This one as well. Let's go back. Five seconds. And then what I'm gonna do is a season change right here. Select this one. Grab this one right there. Click here. Weather. That's one. Refresh on that. And then another one. There we go. So now we have something like look like this. And then we could just put this one at 6. And then maybe we could just add a bit more of the weather. And then here, weather again has been changed. And then here we could just put this one at 8. That's good enough. And then after that, you just need to rename. This will be my show reel. And then duplicate this. This will be my shorts. And then you just need to export this one, all of them, select, and then here select all as well. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.